it's Melody Lane here, and I'm going to be doing a video today to show you how to do pattern letters. So first, let's pick out a pattern. We're going to click on Insert Images, and we're going to go over here to the filter, and we're going to click on Background and Textures. So it's going to show us all the background and textures it has available, and there's lots of them. You could do zebra, you could do chevrons, you could do hexagons. There's lots of them. It depends on what cartridges you own. Some of these are Close to My Heart cartridges that you have to purchase through Close to My Heart. Here's wood. That would be a good one. The mask. This one would be fun. Let's try something different. Oh, and you can do brick. Again, some of these you might have to own the cartridge to use them. Let's try something different. Let's try this one. This is from Close to My Heart art booking cartridge. And we're going to have to put in some text. And we need some text. Let's go ahead and do an M and an L, my initials. And I want to use the shadow. And I'm going to bring the text box over here so we can see it. I think I want to use the extreme fonts. You do have to pick a font that has a shadow to do this. Which one was it that I liked? This one, I think. Okay. I don't want this pattern to be huge on it, or you won't really see the pattern. I kind of want it smaller. So first what we're going to do is we're going to ungroup and ungroup again because I have them both. If I want to move them together, and that's still grouped. There we go. Let's send that to the back. Let's get that in the center. I'll select those both, and I'm going to go ahead and slice it. And I'm just going to move that around there so I can get them together. Send this one to the back. Get that out of its way. And we're going to slice this one too. Just get them ready to slice right away. Okay, we don't need that edit panel anymore. Okay, first thing we're going to do is I'm going to duplicate this because of the size of it. I'm going to need another one. So I'm hitting duplicate right down here in the layers panel, and we're going to put that over here. First, what we need to do is we take the inside of the letter and put it where you want it. Now you can only do this if you only have two images selected. So by putting a box around those two images, you see over here there's one selected here and one selected here. And you have the slice available, so let's slice it. There we go. Now there's two of them you can use. You could use this one or this one. This one is not going to be very good to use unless you're using vinyl because there might be some pieces. Let's zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. See, these pieces in here will not come through on the paper if you're using paper. But these will because it's a solid line going through. And let me show you what I'm talking about. We're going to put the background or the outside of the layer. Try to get it here perfectly so it fits and is connected. Sometimes it's hard to tell. I'm going to put a box around it all, and I'm going to weld. Now you can see the cut lines, like there's one cut line right here and one right here. If we want to try to do it better, we can unweld or undo. That's the only way you can unweld is by undoing. There we go. That's pretty good. It might not come out exactly perfect, but all the pieces will still be together as one piece. Now let's try it again. Okay, so we're going to take the inner piece of the L, put it over here, put it so the top is right across the center there. And I'm going to put this part in the back. And I'm going to just put a box around the whole thing, go to the layers panel and click slice. And then move this. Now if you're not happy with it, now is the time to unweld, but that looks pretty good as it is. So that is how to get letters to have a pattern. This would look really cool with vinyl, just as it is, this M here. And you can change the size. You can change the color. These would look really cool on a banner or as a monogram. And you can choose any pattern you like. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Here's a shout out to a few of the people who support me on Patreon. Debbie Dickerson, Kathleen Kelly Tilley, Jerry Dentel, Peggy Herrera, Carla Boardman, Lady Fair, Elizabeth Villafuerte, Jenny Rodriguez, Tracy Norad, Cheryl Furr, and Patricia Gamble. Thanks everyone for watching.